Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, doing a video walkthrough on this Crownline E235 XS. It's equipped with a 200 horsepower Suzuki outboard. It does have the power pole option on it. It's got a sea decking on the transom of the boat, carpeting on the inside. 70.10 hours on that motor, by the way. Scrolling around, seat back there folds forward. It is electric, turns that area into a sun pad. Good storage. These cushions flip up down below. A little bit of staining in that cushion, otherwise cushions appear to be in great shape. Bolsters, control, Raymarine, nice analog gauges, kicker stereo, vessel view on the Suzuki display, and then got a pump out head here, small sink in the vanity, great storage below, backrest in the bow, huge index storage below that compartment, storage and all. Guys, this boat's loaded with storage. Everywhere I turn, there's more storage. Got fresh water. I mentioned the sink and the shower vanity. Also have here one on the transom. There's a pole for water sports activity. Bimini top. Boat's dry stored in a facility here at MarineMax at Wrightsville Beach. Does have the close off door for the bow, so in cooler months you can use that to block the wind flow off. Bow ladder, so you can pull up to the sandbar, bow up to it, hop off the boat on the bow, spud your power pole down in the back, and you are good to go. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Give us a call if you have any questions at 910-264-4818. Thanks.